The ERTC tax incentive is heavily underutilized due to misconceptions surrounding eligibility. Eligibility does not depend on your business have shut down if your business was affected in any of these ways: revenue decline, capacity restrictions, supply chain disturbances, travel restrictions, commercial disruption, group gathering limitations, full and partial shutdowns, customer or job site shutdowns, remote work orders, customer or vendor restrictions. Your company may be eligible for up to $26,000 per employee. Unlike the Payroll Protection Program administered by the Small Business Administration, there is actually no application process for the Employee Retention Tax Credits. You simply claim the ERTC tax credit like you would any other tax credit by asserting to the IRS that you can legally claim the credit. When you claim an ERTC tax credit, you do so on your Form 941 Employer Quarterly Tax filing. For prior quarters, you must file an amended form, the Form 941X, to reduce your current quarter's tax contribution and request a refund of excess credits, which is highly likely. Another perk of ERTC is that since you can often estimate these credits in advance of distributing cash for payroll, you can file a Form 7200 to receive a cash advance to avoid waiting until the end of the quarter to apply for the refund. You can even claim ERTC even if you receive PPP funds. On March 11, 2021, the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021 was signed into law and included many modifications and expansions to existing elements of previous stimulus programs. The Employee Retention Credit is not a loan. There is no restrictions and no repayment. There are no restrictions for what recipients of the credit must use the funds for. The ERTC program has been expanded to help more business owners retain their employees, and it pays you money for the W-2 employees that you had employed and retained during the years 2020 to 2021. The qualification for each year is slightly different, but depending upon what you paid out to W-2 employees and wages for both years, you could qualify to get back as much as $26,000 per employee. If you have W-2 employees that you have paid wages to in 2020 and/or in 2021, then you probably qualify for ERTC funding. Even if you just started up your business during this time period, you probably also qualify for ERTC funding. To find out if you qualify and get an estimate for how big your cash rebate could be, all you have to do is answer 6 simple questions at easyfileertc.com.